Craving to your craving. I'm called Janet Ditapa. As you can see, I'm here just to say a little about love. Love is the emotional feeling for someone in the moment of good and in the moment of bad. So we have the different type of love. We have eros love, the love that exists between boyfriend and girlfriend. And we have also filial love, the love that exists between friendship and family member. We also have agape love, the love, unconditional love. That is the love that you don't give for someone to deserve something. Because the other type of love, as you can see, eros love. Eros love is just like a love between boyfriend and girlfriend that will do more of sexual intercourse. The love that will show me that example, the love that you can show me by having sex with the person, yeah. And the filial love, the love that exists between family member. The most important love here that you can just like to memorize or to keep it in our brains is agape love. That is unconditional love. Wow, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe on the Dapa Janet channel.